Hello dear students, next time a very warm welcome to all of you in my maths video class for 15 September 2021. I'm sure children you all are doing good, you all are happy, healthy and safe in your homes. Do take very good care of yourselves, follow all the safety precautions and keep yourself protected and safe. Those who have started coming to school, I'm sure they are enjoying it, liking it, but at the same time, do take very good care of yourself children and follow all the safety precautions, follow all the COVID protocols. That is all is required. घर पे हम बैठे नहीं रह सकते, स्कूल्स खुले हैं, स्कूल्स आना ही होगा. बस हमें क्या ज़रूरत है कि जो भी कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स है वो हम फॉलो करते रहें, जो भी सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस है उसे हम फॉलो करते रहें. Okay children, so that is all and stay safe and stay healthy. As you can see on the board, we are continuing with activity worksheet 10. Okay, so today also ये अभी हमने हाफ पार्ट कंप्लीट किया था, तो आज भी हम एक्टिविटी वर्कशीट 10 करेंगे and today we will complete it. Okay, and before this whatever we have done, I'm sure children that is clear to you. सबको समझ में आ गया है, किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है कहीं. And in case of any doubt, you can always ask me in the online class. ठीक है, कोई भी डाउट होता है तो आप मुझे ऑनलाइन क्लास में पूछ सकते हो. So let us start with activity worksheet 10. फर्स्ट वाला था we have done first and second. Okay, तो I'm not going to do them again on the board. एक बार just oral revision कर रही हूँ. फर्स्ट वाले में क्या था कि you had to count the number of bananas and then write its number. Number of bananas count करके उनका number लिखना था. So in the first one we can see 1 and 2. 2 bunches of banana है ना, 2 bunches of banana है. So and each bunch has 10 bananas. So this is 110 and this is 210. So 110 plus 110 that is 210 and 210 plus 3. 3 bananas are also there. So this is 23. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हमने 23 plus 1 2 3 4 5 more bananas are there. तो 23 plus 5 is equal to, अभी 23 plus 5 का टोटल कितना आएगा 28. तो 23 plus 5 is equal to 28. Okay. The next is 1 2 3 4. There are 4 bunches of bananas. ठीक है, 4 bunches of bananas are there and each bunch has 10 banana. तो 10 20 30 40. 4 tens are there, that means 40 and 40 plus 2. 4 tens are there, that means 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. तो यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे 42 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो 42 plus 7. 42 plus 7 कितना हो जाएगा 42 plus 7 that is 49. यहाँ पे हम आंसर में 49 लिखेंगे. Now these were addition sums of 2 digit numbers. 2 numbers का addition sum है. And since we have, this is the chapter working with numbers till 100. तो अभी 100 is the first 3 digit number. बाकी हम अभी सारे 2 digit के numbers पे सब exercises हमने किया है. So here we are doing addition of 2 digit numbers, 2 numbers. ये addition हमने कर लिया था. I'm sure you all have done it. Now we will start with third sum today. ठीक है, third में भी क्या है, third is also add. Third is also add. यहाँ पे इसमें आपको क्या करना है, here we are going to do addition of 3 numbers. ठीक है, अभी इसके पहले हमने addition of 2 numbers किया. Now we are going to add 3 numbers. A क्या है, A है 20 plus 12 plus 34. This is the first one. And B is 33 plus 41 plus 14. Okay. Now let us do the addition. 0 plus 2 plus 4. Addition का जो procedure है that remains the same. We always start addition from ones place. ठीक है, हम हमेशा वंस प्लेस से स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो वंस प्लेस पे वी हैव 0, 2 and 4. ठीक है, तो 0 + 2, जैसे हमने 3 डिजिट का भी नंबर्स 3 नंबर्स का एडिशन किया था ना कि वी ऐड वंस टू वंस एंड वी ऐड टेंस टू टेंस. ओके, दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. फर्स्ट में भी उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट क्या करते हैं, वी ऐड द फर्स्ट एंड द सेकेंड नंबर. पहले हमने फर्स्ट और सेकेंड को ऐड किया और उन दोनों के एडिशन जो उन दोनों का सम आता है उसमें हम थर्ड नंबर को ऐड कर देते हैं. तो एडिंग वंस टू वन, 0 + 2 दैट इज 2 ओनली and 2 + 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 + 4 that is 6. So 0 + 2 + 4 is equal to 6, and then 2 + 1 + 3. So 2 + 1 that is 3. पहले हमने फर्स्ट और सेकेंड को ऐड किया तो 2 + 1 is 3 and 3 + 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so 20 + 12 + 34. The sum of 20 + 12 + 34 is 66. Okay, B is 33 + 41 + 14. So 3 + 1, 3 + 1 कितना हुआ, 3 + 1 is equal to 4 and 4 + 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 + 4 is 8. ठीक है, 3 + 1 is 4, 3 + 1 4 and 4 + 4 that is 8. Then 3 + 4 adding tens to tens, 3 + 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है, 3 + 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and +1, 8. ठीक है ना. As I told you, we can add the numbers in any sequence. ठीक है, हम नंबर्स को किसी भी सीक्वेंस में ऐड कर सकते हैं. We can add the numbers in any order. We can change the order of the numbers. ये हमने पहले पढ़ लिया था. So answer will not change. So 33, sum of 33 + 41 + 14 is equal to 88. 3 + 1 4 + 4 8. 3 + 4 + 1. Again देखो ones place में we are adding 3, 1 and 4. Answer is 8. And here also we are adding 3, 4 and 1. Same digits we are adding, उनका बस order change हो गया because यहाँ पे 4 is at ones place, here 4 is at tens place. Here 1 is at ones place, here 1 is at tens place. Okay, so that is all. So write these two. Then next is, इसको मैं erase कर दे रही हूँ. ये addition तो आप सब अपने आप कर लोगे and I'm sure अब तक सबने कर लिया होगा. Now fourth is Rekha has, it is a word problem. Rekha has 23 dresses. ठीक है, Rekha has 23 dresses. Mala has 31 dresses. Altogether, how many dresses do they have? Altogether, altogether, how many dresses do they have? Okay, the question says कि Rekha has 23 dresses. Rekha के पास 23 dresses है और माला के पास 31 dresses हैं. ठीक है, तो all together मतलब सब मिला करके. all together का मतलब होता है सब मिलाकर. Question is all together how many dresses do they have? मतलब सब मिला करके उनके पास कितनी ड्रेसेस हैं. तो ऑल टुगेदर जब जहाँ सब मिलाना है वहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे, एडिशन हम करेंगे. एंड दिस वर्कशीट इज बेस्ड ऑन एडिशन ओनली. सो वी विल ऐड 23 and 31. ठीक है, 23 and 31 ऐड किया. 3 + 1 4 and 2 + 3 5. So all together how many dresses do they have? They have 54 dresses. Okay, they have 54 dresses. Okay, Everyone has done this one. Now we have one more left. Okay, you just have to add the do the sum here. जो blank space दी हुई है वहाँ पे आपको sum लिखना है. ठीक है, you just have to add the digits. यहाँ पे sum लिख के करना है. तो I'm sure everyone has done. And sum के नीचे यहाँ पे आंसर लिखोगे जो ये मैंने लिखा है. They have 54 dresses. Okay, so I'm sure everyone has done it. अभी फिफ्थ वाला करते हैं. Fifth is add the following. Add the following. A is 40 plus 3 is equal to, then B is 50 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to, C is 20 plus 40 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to, and D is 10 plus 20 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to. ठीक है, अच्छा यहाँ नहीं लिख करके you can write it here also. A, B is 50 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to, C is 20 plus 40 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to, and D is 10 plus 20 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, now let us do it. 40 plus 3, that means here we are adding tens and ones. 40 that is 4 tens and 3 that is 3 ones. तो हम क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? We are adding tens and ones. हमने एडिशन ऑफ वंस भी किया है. We have done addition of tens also. ठीक है, एडिशन ऑफ वंस भी किया है, एडिशन ऑफ टेंस भी किया है, एडिशन ऑफ टेंस एंड वंस भी किया है. So here we are adding tens and ones. So 40 that is 4 tens and 3 that is 3 ones. So 40 plus 3 that is 40, 41, 42, 43. हम डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, और if you add ones to ones, in 40 we have 0 ones and here we have 3 ones. So 0 plus 3 is 3 and 4 that is 4. 4 में हम तो कुछ नहीं ऐड कर रहे हैं, so 4 will remain as it is. Okay, the next is 50 plus 3 plus 5. Here we are adding tens and ones. Now we have 50 that is 5 tens, 3 and 5 that is 3 ones and 5 ones. ठीक है, 3 ones और 5 ones है, तो 3 ones and 5 ones को हम पहले ऐड कर लेंगे, because we first add the ones. तो पहले जब हमने ones को ऐड कर लिया तो 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 कितना हो गया? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, and 8 plus 50. 8 plus 50, addition of ones, that is 8. So 50 plus 8, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. और आप ऐसे करोगे 50 plus 3, 53 plus 5. 53 में 5 ऐड किया तो 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. ठीक है, then 20 plus 40 plus 3 plus 5. So what do? We will first add, we have 2 tens and 4 tens and we have 3 ones and 5 ones. So we will first add both the ones. 3 plus 5 कितना हो गया? 3 plus 5 is 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 20 plus 40. That is 2 tens plus 4 tens. So 2 plus 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 tens plus 4 tens is 6 tens और 20 plus 40 is 60. तो यहाँ पे we have 16 plus 8. 20 plus 40 को ऐड करने में क्या आया? 60 आया. Adding both the tens and adding the ones, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 60 plus 8, that is 68. It's answer of addition of 20 plus 40 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 68. Okay? And then 10 plus 20 plus 3 plus 5. So again we have 110 and 210. 110 and 210, that is 3 tens, that is 30, and plus 3 ones plus 5 ones. 3 plus 5, 8. So 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. ठीक है? Fine? Okay children? So activity worksheet 10 is complete. And after this, in this chapter only, chapter 8 is still continuing. In this chapter, we will now start with the subtraction part. अभी तक हमने addition वाला part किया, मतलब जो भी exercises की, all the exercises were based on addition. Okay? Now we will be doing the subtraction part. अभी हम जो exercises करेंगे, that will be based on subtraction. Okay? This is subtraction of two numbers. Fine? Then subtraction stories and activity. So children, today I'll stop here only. In the next class, we will start with subtraction. Okay? So that is all for the day. Thank you so much.